Watla ka jingsnok tilang ka NPP bat ka BJP kamlong ka basayso ha ka election Lok Sabha ka badang syudepsyen. Henry kini ki artali kiseng kilapin pausyay bakin ya Bteng ya ka Jingiatreilang. Umentri ka Sarkar Jilla batru unong yalam kaseng NPP urakam sangma ulaong bakaseng kakersyan ya ka Sarkar NDA hanong ba Delhi nakabenta ka Roy Kapar. Hakajuk kapor umentri ka Sarkar Jilla batru unong yalam kaseng BJP uba ALHEG ulapin pau baka Jingiatreilang kanyay Bteng bat kamdon kanu-kanu ka jingikan syapang ka jingiapat.
That's not the right? So because we are part of the NDA, so look, and the last, it is because we need the support of the government of India. So without the support of the government of India, nothing gonna happen in the state because we are revenue generation is very, very, very low. So therefore, for the sake of governance, so we are part of the NDA and we are still part of the NDA.
There is no relationship in this point between the BJP and NPP. We are together, we are there. Even Honorable CM, he came to NDA meeting. He met our Prime Minister, he met all the ministers, which is, they met JP Nadda also. They have met everybody. The relation, they have strengthened the relation between BJP and NPP.